Honey, don't beat yourself up. It's great now. This is the chosen is the reason I don't spend a lot of time with them. Well, why are you... Are you gonna get that?
Oh no, we're in the middle of the game. 18 questions left.
Hey, how's it going?
Well, Howard lured your dad away with math.
I'd like a lot better Thanksgiving dinner because you always have to stare
That I spent Thanksgiving with my mother.
If you never join sisters at dinners because you refuse to go out. Why would Amy feel the need to lie to him? Even after she threw you under the bus. Disgusting.
Amy's crazy.
I was over for dinner. I got a single reason not to.
You'll believe she tried.
Thank you, buddy.
You're welcome. Would anyone like to see the magic trick Howard puppy?
I'd love to see her, Daddy.
A perfectly good thing. Watch closely.
That's so good.
No. Wait.